Me a karate expert. You teach woman to independent, not to depend. Woman to have them one things. Me no no money machine, she no have none.
So we link up with the boss, yeah? Peanut bread.
So, I didn't show you.
I'm a rating plus that.
Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it to the Most High now for we daily living. Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it to the Most High now for we daily living. Now life is not a bed of rose, no hungry mouth dead and fi fed. So in the street we there and juggle for we bread. Tailor and the dressmaker stitch a cloth up with the thread. The barber and the hairdresser group the hair them pan we head. Hospital them carry the porters, doctors and the paramedics. Security forces carry iron with a clip full up a lead and pass you over to the mortician who fix up all the dead while peanut trade a patch peanut and a sell it. Film daily living, daily living, daily living.
Fire.
Thanks and
Goat them a come spy you out here, you know. Man them a come look if the place really fancy, you know. Watch man them man. Why the man them a come spy you out in a key? Man them a come for spy you out, brother.
Them think they can't have. But if the man them a country them there and then no fancy away and if you know tell your animal are having a pen member. Problem.
Man them a come spy you out here, you know. I said the man them come spy more to see if the ground really fence. Unbelievable rough, you know.
Tell me now. Yesterday evening I go on a flat and one dog just dunked on me like raving lion and me have to party by and stone. And the big man I go say, hey look, he said big one I jump over the wall in for me. So I say you take this thing to joke, brother.
What you say you go on a flat summer?
No, I go on a shop here. I said one bumbo clock dog there.
Eh.
The dog I run down to bite my foot and me park the bike and I lick down the dog. Man I call to me. And I show him say, listen man. Dog cause too much accident and too much problem on road. It come over news. Say whether Rottweiler, mongrel, horse station or whatever, take them off of the road. Right?
Yeah.
You can't have them on public road where people have to move to and from. I run down for buy people foot. And the owner is there and say, I no want to do nothing about it. Me tell him, you know, me say my brethren if the dog bite me when me done with you a court, you see? No, me I tell you because, come now, the man I go say, when me a stone that the one me lucky big one no jump over the wall in for me.
Yeah.
So me say you're doing this thing for joke. What you really saying? Alright, when me ready for left. Rasta me take up 2 big stone, you know. And me decide, you know. And him go stop him. Make me couldn't get to go away.
Yeah.
The rascal dog just don't pan the bike without ghost in sip on me or what, right? You understand? Come here say when ghost depend your rascal and dog see you. The hand of your ass, the hand of your ass, I ghost in sip. You don't know. If nothing goes up.
Yeah.
The dog down pan me like a raving blood clot lion pan public road where people go to and from. And me talk to this man make it look like say well then he might take it for fun, right?
Yeah.
Until last, you know, when he say, me no he no joke because them believe me afraid of them, you know, and me I tell him say boy, you say if the dog bite me bumbo clot. This when me done with your pussy clot a coat, you're going to pay me what you don't have, you know. I warn you, right? Because he last said take them off of the road.
Yeah.
Right? And then he go stop him. And make me get to go where me go where, you know. Right?
So you said, man, don't pan your fire.
Yeah, my man.
Jeez and peace.
When I no goat. Me say poor people, you see, man. Where you look coast house full enough?
Watch out fire, because man must spy out. You man them there, you know.
Where?
Man them come and spy out there, a tornado over here, listen, you know.
You still get some blood clot. You are talking to joke, you know. Because I mean tell you, you know, say I see him, you know, you me talk over one of my video.
Yeah.
Say, if I like God come now so and come look. Not them that.
Yeah, see the that's
Now
spy
see
out.
them boomer clot thing me I tell you.
Man them come and look for you and watch you out, you know.
Alright? They got no sense, you know. At the owner you for crippling blood clot. Right? At the owner, you know. Well, you go some people for go feed off everybody. And then to Ross clot him alone to catch goat self. And goat leg a wild goat. Anybody must can catch one tail. Look there. What a troublemaker people them, man. Last time I go up at chicken up there so. I go to Spanish Town and go over 1 yard. And a similar piece of scent where I can hardly jam everything out. When me ask the people them. Then I go over there so. Then say yes. Me say Jesus God I know if you live with them you sent in a phone no premises and then you not get no benefit. Eh? Me go up sit there, me just go well the bike. Stand up. And me go up there. Same thing. Hold on. Chicken say hog and goat. The next door. The whole of the man yard smell up. You can't catch a scent in no rasta. Hey. That's why I hate people who can't defend themselves in my brethren. Saying, and God carry me go put me by myself. Where I don't have no neighbor here.
Yeah.
Because me tell myself, say, I don't know me alone tanto neither. You see? If next door neighbor ever had white fowl pen and a hog pen near by me, and then make me have to live with that scent, you see? me nah go manage it, you know. No. It have to stop somewhere, somehow, boy. Me and him rascal, he have to kill me now. Right? Because if I kill him, I sure me say he want to kill me. Him will have to do it, you know.
Yeah.
Yes? Because definitely that he must show me. So he's not afraid of me. And he might look challenged, right? And I decide to challenge him because he might roll thunder and shine blood clot sun, right? And if you hear, when you don't like yourself, don't give it to others. Just so you get benefit, you no matter other people, right? Just so it will benefit you. You say people live with your dirty, nasty, stinking shit, right? If you cope with it, do better, man, right? Do better. Rasta, when you look, courthouse full. Over there, see him sitting there. Because some people take it upon them one to, because if you go to the law, you know, and no right to get here. Because two of them work together. Without the thief, the police, him no have no work, right? So, the thief, them shield, or police and thief, licked together and turn down for working people. If it was working people, him don't have a job. Because it happened to me, right? Yes. Them say, anyhow, the thief get away from you and go hide the sitting. You can't do him nothing. Remember, you catch him and run him down. He fast on you and go hide the sitting down and you can't find him. They say you can't do him nothing. Eh? You have to have witness or have exhibit. Or, well, I know two of them are work now. Eh? Remember, you catch him, you know, and I run him down and he fast on you and get away and go hide the exhibit. You see? Them say, anyhow you do him nothing. A grievance you carry for him and then kill him and then I tell lie. Where witness? Eh? Come. We not no rights? We not no rights? Tell me where the law is to back people off people. Come now. Disobedient spirit attack you without reason, right? Where the police is to back him up for you at the moment. Tell me now, God. That means you must lay your palms and make him kill you. You understand? And when you flash your sting now, and in dead, them I say, you that's where your rights. You shouldn't try come call them. You shouldn't try come make them deal with the killing.
Yeah, them to
you know if you do it, right?
Yeah.
That means the man if he kill you. Tell me if not them a build crime now for fight crime, right? Yes. That means one of them for dead. And me now make him force me, me force him. And after me force him, man when I did the back him off of me now, come and come show me say, me now if force him. Me if drop arms and make him force me.
Yeah.
Anytime me force him, me no if you don't know, no hang me and said me a prisoner or me I do anything, but me couldn't lay up arms and make him force me now. You understand? Right? Because when people take set a yard from you, they say their name peace officer, right? And them to come at your yard and come cry peace or come talk to whosoever trouble you. Are the one where trouble you them I work with. Because him make them get work. Make a little money pass us come. I don't know what I'm talking now. Right? My brethren, may I tell you say, sometimes you know, if people go over the limit with people, their head will slip. No. Every human being have a limit. And people should know that. So don't do things to people where you wouldn't like for yourself. Because when him say, you wouldn't like him do such thing to you, and that him had, you know where his head will slip, you know. And he will lose in consciousness and rock. And by in consciousness come back.
Too late.
It too late because them if you know say at the time when him commit, him not in the panning right sense. One demon take over. You understand? Yes, a two spiritual human being. And one of them terrible anyhow. Him ever rise up now you. You see? You get blind, dumb, and deaf. Jesus God, you don't want to hear nothing, my brethren. Your ears cock. No, nobody say nothing to you, know. You hear me, I want you?
Yeah.
Good. And I make laugh at them thing there. That means they're smart, you know. They know say they must catch people, you know.
Yeah.
Under them the conditions. So scientists them know, you know. So everybody have a limit.
Yeah.
And anytime your head slip, you will commit yourself without mercy. And I saw him get clue over you now. Tell me, my God. So you see how scientists them judge them wise. The things where they know people have to live by, I then settle against, you know, that mean they must catch your ass, you know.
I forget Ghana.
You fuck. Cause Henry Morgan and Christopher Columbus have him originate them country. So whole of Jamaica people just believe into piratism. Only for them family and no business with no one else. Oh God, we just dead. Your child is my child is your child. You is me and me is you. Right? Oh God Almighty. People is only for them and them. How that go? You only one downfall, you know. Then say, sure, it's just another one that. The amount we are suffer to Rockstone and nobody know it, and nobody business. And it is here if we can help them. And no pirate, buy up and scoop in one where they can manage and bury it and dead left it. You see when them go dead too? When you know him go dead, then take a treasure, I say, and carry 2 or 3 man and go dig hole, you know, and say my bury it. No want nobody, all when in dead, nobody no forget it. Me I show you how human being cruel, right? He not use feet now, you know, make somebody, he said no one, he carry 3 man, you see my brother, and go dig hole. And you see when he empty down the money down at the hole, when the 3 man believe, say, he must go with them, with him. Him pan gonna shoot the 3 of them to rascal and throw them down there. And him alone stay there feed them all them up. Say if you even hide and watch him when I bury the money. And if you go there, then 3 ghosts they kill you. Yeah? You come sweat wash your blood, clot your pain. Yeah. If you want to go out, you go dig it up. We try to get it, yeah, boy?
Yes, they go say Ghana.
Yes, sir. Me I show you pirate wicked. Yeah? Yes. Hallelujah dead. If you hide and watch him, you know, when I bury it, you still can't get it. If you go there, them kill you. Them choke you, kill you there. Yeah? You have to left it. Yeah. Because me dark learn and I see what them talk about Spaniard and not it, see? And I want whole time slavery place where Spaniard and if you see wall in them, the amount of man then kill people, all pack them the wall in the all when you go down all St. Elizabeth and all Westmoreland, me see some breed of cow pen, you see? Where stone pack and the cow then can't come out there in a rasta. Miles up and miles up and miles. Me say if you see the man them we pack them the stone there. A one man they pan horse I go around with whip, you know my brethren. I watch the man them a pack stone, you know. I go show you, you know. Him not pack none, you know. A horse him they pan with one pack gun and him whip, right? I go around and watch man a pack. Me say when you go and see me with a mild up, we say, oh God, boy, where we coming from? Is a wicked slave ground that one, yeah, boy, right? And went to rock stone, you know, man. Him pass and see a man a struggle with one of the big stone. You see, him stop, take it up. Imagine. The man go down, try to take it up again, and he say, me can't take it up, you know, sir. How you mean you can't take it up? Take it up. Kiss me ass class now, right? The man went on. The man go down and a fight again. She say it a bad eye man, right? And the man did a fight. I whip. Whap, whap, whap. Take it up. Take it up. Him not take up none, you know, and she said him stone every animal, you know. And the rascal wicked. That's why they call them, hey. And now your back and beat you know. Why you think they call them backramasa? Just trying to your back and beat you and sore up your whole of your bumbo clot back. Hey, come. At this so things that come from till right now, it all worse. Because when they tie you up, you know, them have to feed you. Yes. And that a game problem. We find food to feed them. You know see when do? You let them go down, you see, and borrow up the food in a supermarket and wholesale and warehouse for them, right? Jesus, God, the worst I don't have them blood clot. And I demand sitting for them, but they can't find. Eh? You can't plant paper. You have money machine, you fuck. And none it hard, and none slavery hard, no, under them pussy, you know, natty. Because when they mean a chain, you know, them have to give them tea, breakfast and dinner, yeah? Yes, sir. And that a game problem. And him a few out of feel with them too, you know.
I watch them.
And sometimes weariness take him and him drop asleep on some runway. Understand? And he find out say man suffer out there with them too, right? So he say, alright, instead of me stay out of feel and suffer with them, I go take the paper and the metal and make it be backramasa over them now, right? And then he go back and feel blood clot place go keep back and easy, yeah? Yes. So I hit the money now. The people them can't sleep in a them bed to blood clot. Them have to wake early, right? Yes.
Go
and them have to come in late.
Go
so
look
you
it.
fuck your back with hand and blood clot. Yeah. If money I go out and then I come in, you know, we go. It's going down.
Yeah.
So we are in slavery. Right? Life imprisonment with hard labor and we don't do nobody not. No God Almighty. See, because you can't stop work. Eh?
So you do you know, I reap some gungo.
Yes, man. Why are when people hold and give them a little pension and all them fuckery natty, man? Come on, man. When you're young and strong, man, you need attention, man, that you can enjoy it. Ain't so? Why are when you're dead near dead, eh? All when you make house, when you all not Jamaica, when you hold and then near dead before the little privilege come your way where you can make a house. That time another people here make it for them to bomb or right? They're wickedness, you know, man. Me I tell you, right, Jesus God. Right? Why don't make your dead to blood clot, right? You never get to live in there. Yeah? And you don't get no help. You have to roar now to bomb or clot energy. Yourself, make foundation to people, come get it free when you don't get none free. You see? So I saw them set it. We feel the back on them like chink.
Gungo pan them fire.
Yes.
Enough.
Yeah, man.
Them little thing there what tomato?
Yeah. Then Rasta is them not tomato. Them are the bumbo clot.
They call them money.
Them call them bird shit tomato.
Let me see them.
Bird eat them, right?
Okay.
And then them walk them with let out them waste and then catch. You understand?
Oh, the bird them carry them all about.
Yes. So I may show you say we wouldn't have a problem if they don't kill the bearing tree them and put in wild tree. Because when you come from Devon House and Hall, University and Hall, Jamaica House, you see, a level land them they are the farming land. Give people them, let them land to farm and give them water. The country can't hungry. Then kill the fruit tree them and plant wild tree in our tea. And any tree when I bring forth fruit, kill them and put in the one where I bring forth fruit where we can get benefit. You cannot take water and a lot energy and labor a water wild tree. Eh? Come. What a backward. You know, say, family not go take this place. Wait, no man. Give them chance. Long run shot catch to rascal, you know. Yeah. Because imagine now. See there? I know me plant it. If we get rid of the wild tree, them, you see, when we rain for all the amount of callaloo, the amount of parsley, the amount of things we just growing on it because the bird them heat, they sit them, you know, and walk and plant them for we, you know. Yes, man. And then catch. You see? Yeah. But right as it is now, when me look at when me do that, so me have to say natty. Boy, a man is a man, boy.
Tell you.
Yes, man. The blood clot, the boy, a man, my brother. Because if you know, we don't know if you know, you're sustain nothing, man.
You remember from where it come from, man.
Damn it. Any man come in here, if he say, boy, Ras, we don't want to lick it with you, you know.
Yeah.
I say, me no need no partner.
Yeah.
No, not a rascal. Hey, you say anything, I must for me.
Yes, sir.
Not for we, you're
Yeah.
brethren.
Yeah.
I mean, no way we cause, you know. I mean, don't want that here. Yes. So anything we are going to name for we, and anytime me and you can hungry, me know you will want to kill me and me want to kill you. I mean, night. So make everything name
for me.
Because when Ras come here, man, and the man say, now come down here, come make a house and watch the place for me and do some of my farming too. The man come up on my place and me see man gone on the dimbilin tree, the Chinese dimbilin, you know, the star fruit, and him pick, and me saying, hey.
Start.
Watch your God. So how we man no ask me? Alright, me and you are friend. So everything where me have and you are friend too. Your blood clot, lad. Your nasty blood clot. We not say nothing. Good. Me and him come down here. The man take the lead pan the susumba tree them. You see nothing?
Yeah, he take the lead.
And pick a amount that me say. My brethren, where you had with so much man? He say me give one woman some. Me say them Rasta you can come at my place. And before you take where you desire and where you know you go on, you red eye and make it look like me no want it.
Okay, now you
and I pick off the whole of them say you go all give it to people, my brethren. Eh? You don't know, say me sell them. Me sell them, that's why you come see so much. Eh? Plus you don't ask me.
It's a man like that, man.
Eh? But hey, listen now. Ras, you say you want me and you feel get together.
Nah,
and listen now. No. You start set an example where me see it say, me know what me know. Yeah? Yeah. Now I look people for blood clot lean pan, man go away. Because when we come at your place and no cure what me see on that tree, no cure your tree, ram, me no see it a pussy clot. Are you a fear say Jedi don't want to mango? And me say, yeah man, respect. Understand? Yeah. And anyhow, me see like say, well then, I pile them up pile. Me a hacks you. Right? And if you don't mind, me no go take up no need. And me I say, go take up, give me man. Yeah? Principle, yeah? Yes, sir. Some people, you carry them at people place, and when people see the step them I make, in go around the corner, go tell you, say, don't bring him back here. And me done to rascal.
Jaja.
Yeah, brother.
I think now I'm see you put up a status with the barber shop, dog.
Hey, what I'm saying?
A real thing, dog.
Yeah, man, I really something.
How I really go on?
Me say my life nearly get deleted. The sun hot, but yet me catch cold feet. As I sat in the barber chair, branching road from over Gold Street. Too much in my face when me see it. I mean I know if you catch no bullet with me teeth. Oh Lord, Now the barber chair, across the road from over Gold Street. Don't have the workplace under the shade. Got some cupboard we did a spray. Sun a shine, so me a trying to make here. Every first and every second, every third Friday, the boss would give us 2-5 and stipends out of the pay now. From my face, the ear did bush up round the rim. Looking very rugged, in a eager figure trim. So once the boss try it in and give me the little bickle, me link curl and borrow the bicycle. I left the shop and everything was intact. But little most me never come back because my life nearly get deleted. The sun hot but yet me catch cold feet. As I sat in the barber chair, across the road from over Gold Street. Too much ticking on my face when me see it. I mean I know if you catch no bullet with me teeth. Oh Lord, now the barber chair, across the road from over Gold Street. Gold Street. About the time you know, so me not really sure. 2:30 after 3 or 5 minutes to 4. But me park the bicycle right beside of the door, and the barber was inside him and about 3 more. Facing the glass up on the wall, in the chair me sit down. Same time the 2 youth them enter the compound, and them now wear no shoes, barefoot up on the ground. So one of them go hold the chair, and I him go spin me round now. In the barber chair, at them me get chook. 2 big fat matic in a nozzle, me a look. Me a wonder if me little goose it a go get cooked. Me want peace, me feel like me want puke. Me tell the truth, me have to swallow all my pride. The thing shake me up, my feelings me can't hide. When me hear one go say, yo Mayo, the bicycle with the outside, I hold it a ride. Me say me don't need that to backside. Say me life clearly get deleted. So not but yet me catch cold feet. As I sat in the barber chair, across the road from over Gold Street. Too much ticking on my face when me see it. I mean I know if you catch no bullet with me teeth. Oh Lord, now the barber chair, across the road from over Gold Street. Gold Street, you know. The guns them cock and them go fighting on my face. In my mouth, the sting of death, I hit my tears. So me sit down in the chair and then myself me start to brace. Cause me I wonder if my blood it a go nasty up the place. About the bicycle, them ask me for me, but me no want fi go say coffee. When me fi say a tea, cause me no know how where the killy them a free. And me no want fi give away my life unnecessarily. Me tell them yes and me countenance go dim. Me sit down in the chair and come in like me day a gym. Me start to burn fat, me feel like me a get slim. And weight go live far from me shoulder when them say no sir, no him. Now me a wonder if me look like a youth. Where them in a worry than I him them come to shoot. As them walk out of the barber shop, me sit in disbelief. The breeze now blow but me they shake like leaf. Because my life really get deleted. So not but yet me catch cold feet. As I sat in the barber chair, across the road from over Gold Street. Tears flow from my eyes when me reflect on me seat. Told me somebody coulda come and wrap me up in a sheet. If me did dead in the barber chair, across the road from over Gold Street. Gold Street, Hey, hey, across the road from over Gold Street. Yeah, across the road from over Gold Street. Gold Street. Now if it had not to be no for the Lord and my survive, then tell me where it would have been. Cross the road from over Gold Street. Light you again. Down, sir. Hola.